Hey guys, and welcome back to TomOldy. So today's video, I hope you can see me, but today's video I am setting up my new desk. So this is a Ikea Linnmon, whatever you call it, desk, 1.5 metre by 75 centimetres, nice large desk. So this is just pretty much going to be a time lapse of me building it and yeah, having fun. So new desk is excellent, nice and large, fits everything on it. White, which I really like, and as you can see there's only 2 cables there visible, a couple at the back at the moment, there doesn't used to be, and the headphone cable, so I love it. Cableless Ikea setup. Anyway, let's show you how it's all done. But, yeah. So before we get into the main video, I just want to show you the setup. So I've got the T, lovely, got my Xbox controllers and switch controller over there, nice large area for everything, so if I want to do drawing for example I can push this all back and do my drawing here with my drawing pad. Headphone cable, fish tank, that's going to have fish in it soon, you'll see that. And let's just show you cable management. Oh, got to go under my desk, but here's the cable management. You can't really see it, but it's all just tied up with clip things. So yeah, you can hardly see any cables. Here's a disc drive for whenever I want to watch anime. There we go. That has discs in it, which is I think is the best feature about the desk, if I can stand up. So yeah, this case hasn't got a disc drive, but the desk does, which I think is mega cool. Awesome, right? Hey guys, I'm squatting here. So hey guys, and welcome back to TomOldy. Today I'm going to be building my new IKEA desk. It's a big boy, 1.5 metre by 75 centimetre. I'm going to replace this one. So first we have to go to all this, move this unit, get the PC and everything out of here. And yeah, and then build the new desk. So anyway, let's get started. First I'm going to hoover obviously, because it's a bit messy down here, but yeah, I'm just going to do I don't know, time lapse I guess. This new desk is going to be crazy with cable management and stuff. I've bought so much stuff for cable management. Like got these, plus more, got these. Lots of 3M tape, or 3M double-sided adhesive. It's going to have a disc drive on the bottom of the desk, like mounted at the bottom. It's going to be great. Okay, let's get into this. There we go, so I've got the desk in place, I've just got to put the legs on it, so I'll put that there, I've put a line in the midway point, you can't see it on the camera. So it's going to be one leg there, one leg there, one leg there, one leg there, one leg there. And yeah, and then I'm going to cable manage the shit out of it. So I've got lots of stuff for cable. My bed's a bit messy, because one of my monitors is there, the 2 other ones in the other room, and so's the PC. I've got this stuff for cable management. These are from the old desk, these ones, but I will try and reuse them. I've got these should be nice, so I'll use them for my headphone cables and stuff. This will be for general wire management, because I did have a cage before, but I don't like that. So everything's going to be managed by these, and the power pack, or this thing's going to be on the bottom of the desk. Use double-sided adhesive to hold it up with this stuff. So that'll be on the bottom. So yeah, let's get into it. So the desk is pretty much done now. It's quite sturdy, a little bit wobbly, but it isn't. I've done some of the height management thing on this side and that side because they were slightly wonky, but that rather fixed it. It looks great. This one just came out, so I screwed it back in. I don't know where. It's in the middle, so I don't know what it did, but as long as it's supported in the middle, I'm happy. I'm not going to move the desk much, so yeah. Put on the power pack thing already. That should be nice and sturdy. I'm just going to be time to cable management now, which is going to be the long part. So I'm going to use lots of these little clips for each individual cable coming from the power strip, and then yeah, it'll be like you shouldn't be able to see any cables from underneath the desk, or from on top of the desk I should say. Yeah, but first I need to put all the monitoring stuff back on before I can cable manage it, so I know where everything's going. So yeah, I actually finished recording there for some reason, but you can see what the desk looked like at the beginning of the video anyway. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and here's the outro. Yeah, but yeah, that's all the footage I have of actually building a desk. I'm joking, dabbing is bad. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.